Hey there, science explorers, welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into grade 6 science and technology. Get ready to unlock the mysteries of plants, animals, the human body, and our amazing planet. Have you ever wondered how plants make their own food? It's called photosynthesis. This incredible process is what allows plants to thrive and grow, turning sunlight into energy. Imagine a plant like a tiny food factory, using sunlight as its power source. This factory is constantly at work, even when we can't see it. Inside their leaves, plants have chlorophyll, which captures sunlight. Chlorophyll is what gives plants their green color, and is essential for photosynthesis. They combine that light energy with water and carbon dioxide. These ingredients are absorbed through the roots and leaves, creating the perfect recipe for growth. They create glucose, a type of sugar that gives them energy to grow. This glucose is vital for the plant's survival, fueling its development and reproduction. And guess what's left over? Oxygen, the very air we breathe. This oxygen is released into the atmosphere, making plants essential for life on Earth. The glucose plants make travels through tubes called phloem to all parts of the plant, helping them grow tall and strong. Plants are complex living things with specialized parts that work together. Roots anchor the plant and soak up water and nutrients, stems provide support and transport, and leaves capture sunlight for photosynthesis. Roots play a vital role in a plant's life, acting as anchors and absorbing water and essential minerals from the soil. These nutrients help plants grow healthy and strong. Plants have amazing ways of making new plants. Some produce tiny spores while many rely on seeds. Inside each seed is a tiny plant embryo waiting for the right conditions to sprout and grow. It's like a plant's way of passing the torch to a new generation. The animal kingdom is full of diversity. Animals with backbones are called vertebrates, like humans, dogs, and birds. Invertebrates, like insects and jellyfish, lack a backbone. It's amazing how much variety exists in the animal world. Mammals, like humans, share key characteristics. They're warm-blooded, meaning they can regulate their own body temperature. Mammals have hair or fur, which helps to insulate their bodies. They also have mammary glands, which produce milk to nourish their young. Birds are masters of the sky, perfectly adapted for flight. Their wings, covered in feathers, provide lift, and their lightweight bones make them more aerodynamic. Powerful flight muscles give them the strength to stay airborne. Our digestive system is like a food processing factory, breaking down food into essential nutrients that our body needs to function properly. It all starts in the mouth, where the process of digestion begins with chewing and saliva breaking down the food. The chewed food then travels down the esophagus, a muscular tube that connects the throat to the stomach, and enters the stomach where it is mixed with digestive juices. From there, it moves to the small intestine where most of the nutrients are absorbed into the bloodstream. Finally, the remaining waste travels to the large intestine, where water is absorbed and the waste is eventually expelled from the body. This entire process is essential for providing our bodies with the energy and nutrients they need to stay healthy and active every day. Our circulatory system, with the heart as its pump, transports vital supplies throughout the body. The heart pumps oxygen-rich blood from the lungs to all cells and carries waste products back to the lungs to be exhaled. Take a deep breath in. Feel the air filling your lungs, expanding your chest and energizing your body. And out, slowly release the air, letting your body relax. That's your respiratory system at work, a vital process happening every moment. When you inhale, air travels down your trachea into your lungs, bringing in essential oxygen. Inside your lungs, oxygen passes into your bloodstream, nourishing your cells and tissues. Meanwhile, carbon dioxide, a waste product, moves from your blood to be exhaled, cleansing your system. It's like a gas exchange, keeping your body supplied with fresh oxygen and removing carbon dioxide. This continuous cycle is essential for life. Our muscles and bones work together, allowing us to move, dance, and play. Muscles contract and relax, pulling on bones, while joints allow for flexibility and a wide range of motion. Our nervous system is a super-fast communication network. The brain receives information from our senses and sends out instructions, while the spinal cord transmits messages between the brain and the rest of the body. An ecosystem is like a bustling city, home to a diverse community of living organisms. Changes in one part of the ecosystem can have ripple effects throughout the entire community. Food chains and food webs illustrate the flow of energy through an ecosystem. A food chain shows a simple pathway of energy transfer, while food webs show the interconnected feeding relationships. Water is essential for life, cycling through the environment in a continuous loop. The water cycle involves evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. It's like a giant water slide, with water constantly moving and changing forms. Humans have a significant impact on the environment, both positive and negative. Pollution, deforestation, and climate change are examples of harmful activities. We can make choices to protect and preserve the environment, like reducing our carbon footprint and conserving water. Resources are materials that occur in nature and can be used by humans. Renewable resources like solar energy can be replenished naturally, while non-renewable resources like fossil fuels are finite. It's important to use resources wisely and explore alternative sources of energy. Energy conservation means using less energy to reduce wasteful consumption. Simple actions like turning off lights and using energy-efficient appliances can make a big difference. Climate change refers to long-term shifts in global temperatures and weather patterns. Human activities, particularly the burning of fossil fuels, have significantly increased the rate of change, causing a cascade of effects. Scientists classify living organisms based on shared characteristics, organizing them into a hierarchical system. This classification helps us understand the relationships between different organisms and their evolutionary history. A habitat is a natural environment where a particular organism lives. Different organisms are adapted to specific habitats with the right combination of food, water, shelter, and temperature. Each habitat supports a unique community of plants and animals. Adaptations are special features that help plants and animals survive in their specific habitats. These adaptations can be physical or behavioral, resulting from natural selection. Biodiversity refers to the variety of life on Earth, from the smallest microorganisms to the largest whales. It's essential for healthy ecosystems and provides us with countless benefits. In the natural world, plants and animals depend on each other for survival. Plants provide oxygen and food, while animals help pollinate plants and disperse seeds. This interconnectedness highlights the importance of maintaining healthy ecosystems. Pollution is the introduction of harmful substances into the environment. Air pollution can be caused by car exhaust and factory emissions, while water pollution can result from sewage and industrial waste. Reducing pollution is crucial for protecting human health and the environment. We produce a lot of waste, but we can all do our part to reduce our environmental impact. Reducing consumption, reusing items, and recycling are important steps. Sustainable practices meet the needs of the present without compromising future generations. This includes using renewable energy sources, conserving water, and promoting sustainable agriculture. Meteorologists use instruments to measure weather conditions, helping us understand current weather patterns and make predictions. Climate scientists use long-term weather data to study climate change and its impacts. Ready to ace those science exams? Pay attention in class, review regularly, and believe in yourself. We've covered a lot today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting science adventures.